Now, we all know that survey websites these days are super duper slow, take so much of your time. The payout limits are insane, which is a bad thing, right? But what if we actually told you that we've discovered a survey website that does just the opposite? It's very fast, it doesn't take much of your time, and you have no limits to paying out. That's right, we have found a website that does just this. And it probably has the lowest payout amount in the market, and you're also able to withdraw money the same day you register on the site. Sounds pretty impossible, right? Well, it gets even better. The site, it has a ton of payment methods that you can actually use to withdraw your money. So really, it doesn't matter if you have a PayPal or not, if you have a bank card or not, if you have Bitcoin or not. You can simply use any of the other methods that this website offers. And now, did we mention that this actually is available worldwide? Yeah, you can be from any part of the world and this method will still work for you. And now, do you want to know how that works? You are in the right place, because today that is exactly what we're going to be sharing with you. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired result. A great website for today is called Rewarding Ways. Now, Rewarding Ways is actually one of the best paid survey websites in the market. Now, it does have some high paying surveys that you can actually find. Now, these surveys, aside from them being very high paying, they're actually super easy too. And when we mean high paying, we mean $15 to $20 in literally 5 minutes just of doing them. So now here's how that goes, right? You're gonna go to the website, rewardingways.com. Then you're gonna see like a button that says join free. You need to click on that button to get started. You can also see just how much Rewarding Ways has paid its members so far. And in just a few minutes, you can actually be one of these lucky people too. Now, once you've clicked on the button, you'll be taken to a registration page, and here you'll need to fill in everything that they ask of you. Now, make sure that all of your information is accurate and correct so that later on you won't encounter any problems that could be of a hassle to you. And also so that you can get paid properly. So first thing, you need to enter like your basic details, like your first name, your last name, email, your username, and then your mailing address and your postal code. Now, this is usually for letters, but honestly, nobody sends letters anymore, so it's just a formality. In the country list, you can see that there is almost every single country in the world out there, and most likely your country is here too, so don't even worry about that. To our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So, once you've got all your info, it's time for the very important step, which would be the payment information. Now, we want you to take this step very carefully so that you don't, accidentally add a letter in that's not supposed to be there, or lack a letter, because we don't want any problems, any issues when it will come to you paying out. So once all of this is said and done, you're just going to agree to the conditions and to the terms and the privacy policy. Then you can click on register. Once you click on register, you'll be taken to a page that says success, and if it does not say success, then you're probably, messed up something in this step. But just redo it, and then until you see this page, correct? Now, your registration is finally successful. A confirmation will be sent to your email, and all you need to do is copy the code from there and enter it into the given box and press confirm. Now, if you don't receive a confirmation email in 5 to 10 minutes, click on resend email. Once you're successfully logged in, it's finally time to start making money. Now, you can see that you've just been awarded 20 cents as a sign-up bonus. And the minimum payout limit is $1, which is insane. All you need is 80 more cents, and then you can finally just start taking out your own $1 or whatever. And that's exactly why we love this website. You don't need like a big amount of money so that you can withdraw it, right? Now, where are these surveys that we keep talking about? So just hover your mouse over the earned money option and you're gonna see a drop down menu with a lot of survey options that you can actually choose from. So just select any of these and then you'll be taken to the survey page. So we're gonna click on popular surveys and now you can see that we've been redirected to a page with all of the popular surveys. Remember that a lot of the surveys are limited time surveys, and so get started on them as soon as you can, right? The list updates daily and you can do all of these today to start earning money. Now we're just gonna click on like a very random survey just to show you guys how it works, and then let's say we're gonna choose this one. So we click on this and then we're gonna be taken to the survey page. So here you can see how much the survey offers, and if you're familiar with other paid survey websites, you probably know just how bad those surveys pay. You literally do dozens of surveys on those websites and you won't even make $1. If you do end up making $1 though, the minimum payout limit is literally like $20 or $50, and it's gonna make you want to give up basically. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet, and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. Rewarding Ways is some of the highest paid surveys on the market, and you can make like $1,000 a month just by doing surveys here. No cap. And actually, once you've done the surveys and decide that you want to get your money, you just need to go to the home page again, click on my profile, and you'll be brought to your profile. And here, you can see just how much money that you have. You can also see some points, and these points, they can be converted into real money. So remember to cash them in before you decide to withdraw your earnings. Now, once you actually decide to withdraw your money, you just need to click on the withdraw cash button, and you'll be taken to the withdrawal screen. Here you can see all the payment methods that you can use to withdraw your money. You can actually have PayPal with a minimum withdrawal amount of $1. There's Skrill with the same minimum withdrawal amount, and finally there is also Bitcoin with a minimum withdrawal of $200. Now the Bitcoin withdrawal amount is higher because of all the blockchain costs involved in it. Personally, we recommend that you stick to PayPal or Skrill since those are just way more convenient. So once you choose which payment method you want to use, just request the withdrawal, and once the transaction has been verified, the money will be sent directly into your PayPal or your Skrill account. Now, verification usually takes around 68 hours and sometimes can go up to 24 hours depending on the traffic on the website. But, Rewarding Ways works across all platforms, so you don't even have to sit for hours in front of your computer screen. The surveys are super fast, and since the website is optimized for mobile devices too, you can easily make money just literally laying in bed and looking at your phone. Now, usually, 1 hour of doing surveys all month, and you can already make $1,000 easily. No effort, no hard work. You can do this anytime you want to, since, Rewarding Ways has surveys available around the clock. So you could be sitting down or eating your lunch, walking in the park, literally doing anything, and you can basically do the surveys and start making money. So what are you waiting for? Start making money online, and that is everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.